Hello my lovely students, how are you? Welcome back to science lesson. Today we have just a chapter review. Today we will finish chapter 1. Before we start, let me remind you what we studied in previous lesson. In previous lesson we studied tides. What are tides? Tides are the daily change in the local water level of the ocean. Tides are two types, high tide and low tide. So we studied currents. Currents are two types, surface current and deep ocean current. A surface current forms when steady winds blow over the surface of the ocean. But deep ocean currents form due to the density differences of in the ocean water. Now please open your science book, chapter review. We have chapter review. Open 158. We have chapter review and test preparation. Vocabulary review. Use the terms below to complete the sentences. The page number in between two brackets tell you where to look in the chapter if you need help. Vocabularies are water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, wave, storm surge, tides, surface current, deep ocean current. Number 1. A large wave caused by strong winds is called what? Is called a storm surge. Large wave caused by strong winds is called storm surge. 2. Is a process that changes a liquid to a gas. Look, changes a liquid to a gas. The process is called what? The process is called evaporation. Evaporation. Number 3, a gas changes to a liquid by a process called what? Gas change to liquid is condensation. 4. Blowing winds from a river of water in the ocean. A surface current. A surface current caused by or formed due to the steady wind blowing over the surface of a river or in the ocean form surface current. 5. Water vapor, clouds, rain, and the ocean are parts of the what? Are parts of the water cycle. Water vapor, clouds, rain, and the ocean are parts of the water cycle. Big and small are are examples of changes in the ocean level caused by the pull of the sun, moon, and earth. Tides, or you can say high and low tide. Big mean high tide, small mean low tide. Okay. 7. Is any form of water that falls from clouds. شيء وكان أو كالهوركان بتخواره في ظلنتي. Precipitation. Precipitation may be snow, maybe rain, maybe hail. 8. A dash forms when cold, dense ocean water meets a flows beneath warmer ocean waters. When cold, dense ocean water meets, it's formed deep ocean current. Deep ocean current. 9. The up and down motion of water is called wave. Up and down movement of water particles is called wave. The next concept is this diagram shows how water moves from the land and ocean to the atmosphere and back again. Label each section of the diagram and write a title for it. Look here, what's the title for here? Water change to water vapor. Liquid change to gas when sun heats ocean water. Its title here is evaporation. Evaporation. Here the title for here, clouds form. Look, gas changes to liquid. It means what's process that's happening here? It is condensation. The title for here is condensation. Number 3, look, number 3, it is the title for it is precipitation. And 4, it is the process. All processes are make up water cycle. Let's go to page 159. Check understanding. Write the letter of the best choice. Number 1. The dash provides the energy for the water cycle. A. Moon. B. Sun. C. Atmosphere. D. Ocean wave. Which one provides the energy for the water cycle? The true answer is sun. Sun provides the energy for the water cycle. 2. Ocean water is a mixture of water and many what? Ocean water, if you remember, ocean is a mixture of water and many what? A. Gases. B. Salts. C. Liquids. D. fluids. The true answer is salts. Ocean is a mixture of water. About 96% is water and 4% are salts. 3. Wind causes an up and down movement of ocean water called a what? Up and down movement of ocean water is called what? A. Deep ocean current. B. Tide. C. Surface current. D. Wave. The true answer is wave. 4. The pull of dash on earth is the main reason for tides. What causes tides? A. The moon. B. Winds. C. The sun. D. Currents. The true answer is the moon. The moon, the main causes for tides. The moon causes tides. Please restudy at home this chapter, all pages, and for the next lesson we will go to a new chapter, a new subject. We will study matter. Goodbye and see you.